In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a text mask on Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to enhance your website with creative text designs or just experimenting with the platform, using text masks can be a game changer. Text masks are a stylish way to make your words stand out by combining text with creative effects like images or patterns within the text itself. If you're new to Wix Studio, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily follow along. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautiful text mask on your site, customized to your liking. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix Studio website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix Studio homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You'll see the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now, if you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Alternatively, if you want a quicker option, you can click on Continue with Google to log in seamlessly using your Google account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix Studio dashboard. This is your central hub for managing and creating websites. From here, locate the side toolbar. On the toolbar, you'll notice a plus icon. This is where you can add new elements to your site. Click on that plus icon to open the menu of elements. Now that the Elements menu is open, you'll see a variety of options to customize your site. From this menu, select the Text option. This will bring up all the text-related elements available for your website. Among these options, look for Text Mask and select it. Text masks are unique because they allow you to fill your text with patterns, images, or colors, adding a visually appealing effect to your website. Once you've selected the Text Mask option, you'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. Take your time browsing through the available designs and find one that resonates with your website's theme or the message you want to convey. When you've decided on a template, click on it to select it. Now it's time to place the text mask on your website. Simply drag and drop your selected text mask onto the desired location on your web page. This is where you can start visualizing how the text mask will complement the rest of your site's design. You can always adjust its position later, so don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. Next, click on the text mask you've placed on your page. This will activate the editing options, allowing you to make the text mask your own. To change the content of the text mask, click on the Change Text option. This will bring up a text box where you can type in the new text you want to display. Think about the message you're trying to convey with your text mask and make it as engaging as possible. Once you've entered your desired text, you can fine-tune its position on the web page. To do this, simply click and drag the text mask to your preferred location. Play around with the placement until it looks just right, center it, align it with other elements, or position it creatively to draw attention. And that's it. You've successfully added and edited a text mask on Wix Studio. Whether you're using it for a headline, a call to action, or just a decorative element, text masks are a fantastic way to make your site stand out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.